Hello students, welcome. I am going to show you how to log into Padlet.com or to sign up, first of all. The way you do that is by going over to a browser. You can go to any browser that you prefer. I prefer Google Chrome, so I'm going to go to Google Chrome, which is down here. It looks just like this one here. Sometimes you can find it in the start menu. If you go down to the start menu, you scroll through the apps, you'll find Google Chrome in here. If you haven't installed Google Chrome, then that means you can use another browser such as Microsoft Edge, which is this one here. Or if you prefer Firefox, you can use that one as well. So once you go into your favorite browser, and where's my browser? Here it is. I will go ahead and type in Padlet.com in the address bar, which is up here in the top. So Padlet, it's spelled P-A-D-L-E-T, and don't forget to add the .com, and tap enter on your keyboard, and it takes you to this web page here. In order for you to sign up, before you log in, you have to sign up. You go to either this button here or you go to this button here, and if you go to that button, you'll see sign up is already in here. And you can also log in with Google, Microsoft, and Apple. That means that if you have a Gmail account, you can use that. If you have Microsoft accounts such as Live, Hotmail, or Outlook, you can use that as well. If you have an Apple email, you can use that too. All right, but we're going to go back, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the easy way. Click on sign up for free, and it's going to take me back to that one page. And it says here, if you already have an account, all you need to do is click login. But we don't, but we're going to sign up with our Google, Microsoft, or Apple. I'm going to go ahead and use my Google. So I'm going to click on Google, find my instructor email, which is part of Gmail, and I am going to see what kind of plan I am going to use. Now, I am going to get the basic plan because we are just going to learn Padlet. We're not going to use it to do more than learn about it and post a few things. So, but later on, if you feel like this is something for you, you can actually pay the $10 a month or $96 a year if you'd like to. But anyways, so go down here to click on the continue button in the free version of Padlet. So click on that. Then it says, welcome to Padlet. You're on our basic membership. Okay, so here you're going to click on the Let's Go button. Once you do that, then you'll be in that Padlet, and that's how you get into Padlet. And you'll see your email over here, and I'm pretty sure you can change the username or your profile name, and we'll go through that later on.